Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for BIDGET price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And looking of course at BIDGET here, we see of course we have reached our zone here with 0.23 of course as expected for a wave 4 in a wave W as well probably, or in a zigzag. But we're gonna of course estimate the time, because of course based on the time we were expecting a little bit much more the blue zone here. Regarding the FIB time, but of course the FIB time has never been of course a rule, it is a guideline. However, the 0.23, 0.38 has been hit for a wave 4 and probably continuation toward the upside. We're gonna estimate this, but let us just take an overview of course what's going on here in this scenario. In this scenario, of course, we have a triple 1 2 here, 1 2 1 2, and a big 1 2, and then another 1 2 3 4, and a 5, of course, which is your main wave 3 here, explosive and massive, a move towards the upside, as obviously we can see. And of course wave 5, then 4 5 and 4 5 4 5, right, towards the upside to finish of course those triple 1 2s. And we're gonna see of course possibly, if we have finished exactly this scenario here, to see of course for further higher prices. Another scenario can be of course the following as a bearish scenario as well. You can have here probably of course 3 waves up in a wave A and 3 waves down for your wave B, and you have here 1 2 3 4 5 for a wave C. In this case scenario, of course, you are looking for still one more wave toward the upside, meaning in bullish and bearish scenario you're still looking for this price, probably $30 1-to-1 fib level, taken of course from this wave A to the wave B and giving us a 1-to-1 fib level at $30. Very nice psychological number from $4.4 to 30. That would be a great trade. Now, if we have another impulse here as a 1 2 3 4 and a 5, you are looking probably here at 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5. So of course it is bringing us again to our much more possible scenario in bullish, which is this one triple 1 2s, and then of course still looking for this move toward the upside with a 1-to-1 fib level as well for $30. Yeah, so very nice, because this price is taken of course from your wave 5 here, and of course yeah, the fib level from your wave 1 to the wave 3 to give us a wave 5 at the $30 as well for BGB. Yeah, very nice. So if we move inside it, we can see of course here a possible or potential of a WXY. I prefer to move to the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we have 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. Yeah, so we have kind of invalidation as well here. Therefore we have counted as 3 waves, yeah, because here you have 1 2 3 4 and a 5, potentially wave A, and then correction. This has of course interfered here, mean A B C, so 3 waves, yeah guys, W, and then 3 waves up as an X, and you're looking right now at 1 2 3 4 probably. Well, no, yeah, because of course you have here kind of like unless we have of course 1 2 1 2, yeah, so 3 4 again invalidation, right? So there is no impulse, and that's why of course we call it a wave Y. And it looks like of course we were counting this before here somewhere, and we saw of course that we need still to move toward the downside. Now potentially as well what we can count is, don't forget, as a wave Y, it can be a zigzag, another correction, and then finally another impulse here. So be careful. It can be of course an A, B, and a C toward the downside, 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5. Well, potentially still moving for lower, but I would say it is a nice impulse here currently. Yeah, so I would say it is a nice impulse, 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5 until invalidation, of course. Meaning if we invalidate this impulse at this price action here, if we see further move towards the downside, invalidation of a bullish, here we go, at the price, the following price is exactly this one, which is a 4.21. Yeah, so this is of course your invalidation. If we move inside it here, we can see of course that yes, we are moving very massively here, but okay, we see only one candle. Yeah, maybe, okay, maybe it is a zigzag, but if we see continuation now as an impulse 1 2 3, or 1 2 and then 1 2 3 4 5, invalidation. Yeah, so you have to be careful with this unless you see, of course, continuation toward the upside like this. 5 waves up, 3 waves down, breaking this, and of course, confirmation of a bullish scenario. In this way, I would say, okay, yeah, that's much more safer to enter a trade. Currently, of course, the risk still high. No financial advice, of course, to enter in a buy market, right? So we have to be careful. This might turn into 3 waves toward the upside, as of course, as you can see as well, this lack a little bit of structure for an impulse, by the way, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. What is your wave 5? Yeah, there is no wave 5. Meaning this has a potential to be here as also 3 waves up, 3 waves down. So a B, and a C toward the upside. A 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and potentially finished, guys. So we have to be careful with it. The answer that you can get for the price is the invalidation of the bullish. Once you get this, it doesn't mean we're probably moving directly toward the downside. Of course, probably. But it can also move toward the upside. But that means you will not take the high anymore. If you reach this, you will range like this and continue toward the downside. 4 and a 5. That was it for BIDGET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.